Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to draw the bar globes. This object is quite small. It's a little bit complicated, but it's quite simple. We are going to need to use the function revolve in order to draw this object. So let's get started. Select the plane and select the length that you want to cover first. The total length is only 11 and the height is only 2. Okay. And then I'm going to draw to the right. And then this one is going up. The angle is 45. Select OK. Oops, not that 45. So let me draw to this one, and I'll determine the dimension later. So this angle is 45, and the length of this point to this point is only 1. Okay, so now we can trim this one and also this one. Okay, the last one we so we are going to still need the reference point here. So make it X. So this one also going up. Also convert it to construction and trim this point. Okay, and then this line as well. Make sure it is on the same level and then going down. So the length here is 1. Let me double check. This point to this point is 1, which is correct. The angle is 45. And before we move further, select all lines. Right click and select fix. And then go to create. Select arc and 3-point arc. This is your first point, your second point, and your third point. So using the function dimension, select this arc and key in 6. So now, next step is to do the revolve. So make sure the profile is selected. When it is shaded blue, it is selected. Now we select the axis. Once you select the axis, the software will give you the preview of the object that's going to be generated. So in this case, which is correct, select OK, and now it is done.